Another beautiful Land Rover Defender. Now, for me, I love this colour. So the colour is called Lantau Bronze, but the car is an X-Dynamic. It's a 22 plate, it's done 500 miles. It's a 250 brake horsepower, 3-litre diesel engine, but it's spec'd beautifully. Look at it, it's got a contrasting black roof. It's got full X-Dynamic bumpers, styling, black exterior pack, 20-inch wheels, side steps, and a contrasting black roof. So the colour works, especially with that styling. The car's got a comfort and convenience package, so you've got things like ambient lighting, wireless charging. You get great spec with this car. And the colour, I'm just going to move in and show you the colour as well, because we don't get many in this colour. Some people say it looks grey, it looks bronze. It's a stunning, stunning, beautiful colour. It's metallic. You've then got them black badging, the inserts, with it being an X-Dynamic. And you can see the X-Dynamic gives you this big undersection here, all finished in gloss black. It then goes all the way around the arches, around the side, and then onto the back bumper. Wheels, beautiful, 20-inch wheels. They've been done in high gloss black as well, which just fits and works beautifully. You've then got mud flaps. Side steps, not standard side steps, they've been done in gloss black as well. I mentioned it earlier, you've got that contrasting black roof, which just breaks the car up beautifully. You've got the signature graphics here in gloss black as well. And then as we move around the rear, you've got full-size spare wheel, which is an added extra in gloss black, mud flaps, that X-Dynamic back bumper, and then the tonneau sections, which are out like that as well, which is an added extra as well. So the car looks really, really well. 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover assist. Moving on inside, it's all keyless entry. And then if we start on the door card, you can see the light in there. So it's got, with it having that comfort and convenience package, you've got ambient lighting, you've got Meridian sound system. Getting inside, we've got full, start the car up, full heated interior seats as well in the front. Glass roofs, at the moment the glass roof's open, so that's electronic, it's an opening glass roof, great, great feature. And with the car being an X-Dynamic, you can see on the sills, you can see you've got your X-Dynamic styling, you get the colour built into the door cards as well with the studs. Other extras, other things that are standard to be fair, keyless, it's all keyless, automatic lights, automatic wipers. The camera system, if we put the car into reverse, you've got that fantastic full surround top view and 3D camera system. Heated seats, I mentioned earlier. You've got air suspension with this car being a 110. Moving into the centre here, so we've got drop your phone down on there, wireless charging, refrigerator, part of that comfort and convenience package. You've got all then your cup holders as well, which again with a cover to go over, that is part of that package. In the back, I'm just going to show you about size now, because 110s are so popular because of the size. You've got so much room. So if I jump into here, you can see the ambient lighting runs in the door cards there as well, which so it's lovely in the back. You've got this internal rear blind, you've got USB charging points. The car's like brand new, it smells new inside, it's done 500 miles. And then moving round the back, little Defender badge there's been done in black, which is great. Massive boot space. Air suspension, you can press the button to drop the car down, and you can even drop them seats down, so you've got such a huge load space on a Defender 110. But I think externally this car, I think the colour with the contrasting black with the wheels and the X-Dynamic bumpers, it all looks absolutely superb. It's the best priced 22 plate 250 X-Dynamic 110 in the UK, most importantly. So it's going live on our website. Thank you for watching.